In this video, I'll show you how to program universal remote for Panasonic TV. Step 1. Check the requirements. Turn on your Panasonic TV and check that the universal remote has working batteries. Get the list of Panasonic codes from your remote's manual or online. Some remotes have an automatic code search function that can be easier. Step 2. Manual code entry. Press and hold the setup button on the remote until the light turns on. Enter a 4 or 5 digit code for Panasonic from your code list. Release the setup button and the light should blink to confirm. Step 3. Test the remote. Point the remote at the TV and press the power button. If the TV turns off, press enter or stop to save. If not, repeat the process with the next code on your list. And that's how you program your universal remote for your Panasonic TV. If this video was helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Bye.